Hello, so I need to report some of my plants, and so the plants, I am so excited to report them because the soil has become compact and it should be pleasant time, but I'm still sweating. Phoenix, my dog, has started to shed his hair, which happens during winter time too. So it should, like, I should be wearing sweater, but I'm in t-shirt and shorts. But anyways, let's start with the repotting. Here are my 3 plants, Micans, Scindapsus and Ring of Fire. And I have already prepared soil mix. This way it becomes very easy. You just have to pot the plants and it's very lightweight, it's very airy, and I absolutely love this plant. It is giving out new leaves since I bought it, and I have seen, like, during fall time and during winter time, this plant loves and flourishes very well. So the root is really very nice, its condition is very nice. I was thinking that it has become root rot, but I'm pretty impressed. This is my Micans, and I did buy a very small plant, but it has become more small with lesser leaves, and somehow it doesn't do well. And as you can see, like, the roots were completely gone. And this is my absolutely favorite Ring of Fire with just tiny variegation. I'm not sure if it's variegation like the tiny dots or some kind of issue, but she loves to, like, spread out. And I'm just taking out all the 3 plants outside of the pot, and I will be using the same pot to plant these. There is some root rot because the soil became compact, and recently I have started using Moonlight in my soil mix, and it does really well. For me, it's not sustainable, like, it's not easily available, but it's very beneficial for these kind of plants like Philodendrons. And you can see there's a baby Scindapsus plant. The moonshine plant requires light for it to become like this grayish, and it looks stunning. I can't wait for it to grow and become more bushier. I love the look of bushier plants. So yeah, I have used the same 3 pots. I will be linking everything in the description just in case if you want to check the products out, like what kind of liquid fertilizer I use or the ingredients in my soil mix. I make my own soil mixes for succulents and all my plants, but you can buy it online. I'm not sure of all the brands available online because there's sometimes more amount of cocoa peat, which can again make the roots rot. So this is how the plants look, and I will be adding support later on. Also, I do not like these kind of pots because then you have to form a layer, because otherwise the soil dries very quickly and the ingredients, the soil mix, come out from the bottom. But I do keep these old nursery pots for them to, so that I can reuse. And like, buying new things, more things, again add to, like, what's the use? Again, it's not sustainable. Like, if the things are already there with you, why not to just reuse them? I'm not sure if this Micans plant will make to the next season. Also, I like to add little extra soil because when you water, the soil does become less, or it goes down, I should say. But these are all the 3 plants, and I hope next time when you will see, they will look better. And this is my elbow. I just love this plant. I have recently repotted it 2 days back. It did got sunburned because the sun has changed the position. It's winter time and it did burn the leaves a little bit around the fenestration. This was the older leaf and these two leaves are new. Like they have come out in my home. Again, it got sunburned, but I absolutely love this plant and I wanted to show you. Look at this fenestration. Yeah, that's all in this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and I will meet you next time. Till then, bye.